Project managers are always busy, and tracking progress in the field can be difficult and time-consuming. This all changes with SiteOwl. Field technicians can see exactly what work is left to be done on their phones. Red indicates planned, orange indicates in progress or a bottleneck, and blue indicates installed. It's simple for the technician or subcontractor to know what to work on. Once the installation is complete, the technician changes the status to installed, and then adds a picture for quality control. SiteOwl records who did the work, when it was completed, and the device color status automatically changes. When a technician runs into an issue, all they do is select in progress and enter a note. This automatically notifies the project manager without requiring phone calls and time-consuming status updates. Here, the project manager can see exactly what has been done in the field at all times. You can also see which technician did the work. Now you can confidently track progress and control quality without time-consuming phone calls and site visits.